case you guys are wondering why I just filmed that sequence of me putting on a sticker, well, this is supposed to go with this. So yeah, I purchased some OG T37 Rays Volk Racing, whatchamacallit, spoke stickers. So yeah, because right now, you know, I have the black ones here, which look good, but you know, I think the blue will make this stand out a lot more. And also, you know, the OG white tees also have the blue stickers with them. So, and holy Christmas, this is one dirty wheel. Sometimes it hurts to drive this car 100 miles a day in all sorts of conditions, but we'll clean this up and then apply the stickers on. But yeah, I decided to make this just so it would match this a little bit better, because honestly the whole car is this black, dark gray and white theme, so needed something to kind of go with this, so that's why I put that there. So if you guys are looking for some compelling content in this video, this might not be it. I don't know, the comments are gonna be like, this man literally filmed himself putting on stickers. Yes, I did. But no, I'm just gonna be doing that, putting a new lower grill on, fixing things here and there. So if you guys want to hang out, feel free. Otherwise, feel free to check out my other videos on this channel for something more exciting. But come hang out, it'll be fun. So if you made it through this clip, thanks for sticking around. Anyway, first off, we're gonna start cleaning this off. So as y'all can see, it looks pretty awful. Oh man. Looks so bad, it's not even fun. Like, white wheels are amazing, but keeping them clean, even when ceramic coated and all that fun stuff, once it rains and once you drive through a bunch of leaves and dirt and debris, this is what happens. Yeah, we're gonna clean this up first. I'm just gonna wipe down the whole face just so when I put the stickers on, I'm not gonna get dirt or anything underneath. So do a quick wipe down. Alright, so much better. This is proving difficult because I think because of the ceramic coating. I'll tell you guys, this is the biggest pain to remove because these stickers are so good, but once you get a good edge going, you can peel off the whole thing. See, fun fact. Oh crap. Alright. Be right back. Taking off the old stickers is kind of a pain because the wheel ceramic coated and kind of, you know, laid over top the sticker, so it was a little bit hard to remove, but we ended up getting them off. Look, that looks straight. I mean, it looks alright. So anyway, my heat gun crapped out on me. Pretty important to remove stuff, so hopefully this hair dryer we can get the other three, but that really took way too long. Alright, so actually the other three didn't take as long. I was able to heat them up and get them on, so check it out guys. I think it looks so good with the blue. It just matches, I think, more of the style. I got all four of them right here. Check it out. Maybe we'll get some side shots or something, you guys, but for now, this is what it looks like. As you can see, I am painting this lower grill because I've been missing that piece for a long time. Originally I had that mesh that I made, but it didn't turn out that great, honestly, so decided to purchase this again. I'm gonna find a way to mount it though, because I cut off all the tabs on the bumper, so I might have to JB weld it on or something, but I'm probably gonna get a new bumper eventually anyway, so it's not gonna matter so much that, you know, I JB weld that grill on there. But let me show you guys something. So in here, if you guys can see, I got 4 tires and 4 wheels, so I am going to be mounting up some new tires onto the CR Lives for winter. Do want to keep these on for as long as I can. I mean, these are my favorite wheels of all time, but eventually if it starts snowing and whatnot, this summer tire compound will not do so well, so I might as well pull one out for you guys, show you guys what I got. These are some all seasons, but they are Dunlop Signature HP. I mean, they were a very good deal on simpletire.com for Cyber Monday. But I think this should fare pretty well. I mean, it's better than having summer tire compound, but it's not like it really snows a crazy ton here. And, you know, I figured might as well just get this. But yeah, this was a really good deal. at the time, so I figured might as well pick these up. These are 255/35, so exact same tire size as this. What I am concerned with though is this might rub back here. Right now it's kind of low because of all the weight in the back, but I have a feeling the wheels will rub on that back corner tab, just based on past experience, but we're gonna see once it's time to fit on the wheels. I think it should be okay, honestly. Maybe as long as I don't have a lot of weight in the back, I can definitely drive it like I normally would, but we will see. But yeah, today was a success. I was able to get the stickers on the wheels. I was gonna take off the side skirt piece, but I figured I might as well leave it on. It's kind of second guess myself, but at least the new sticker matches quite well the new Volk Racing sticker, so definitely excited for that. But yeah, I probably won't film much more in here. Just gonna put on the grill, maybe. Depends if this plastic dip dries in time. But I'm gonna get tires mounted on there, and then, I don't know, we'll see what happens, I guess, if what else I throw in this video, but yeah. So it's been a few days since that last clip, and as you can see, we got hit with a ton of snow for the past 2 days or so since filming this. And the car is now officially back to winter mode. And I'm not sure if it's obvious or not. Probably is. You guys see that wheel gap? Honestly, I can't believe it myself. So what I ended up doing is, well, I put on the winter wheels, of course, the Bordeaux Deform 9s, aka the CR Lies, and I added the new tires on, the 255/35 Dunlop Signature HP all-season tires. Yeah, I know it's all season, but honestly, it doesn't really snow that crazy here, and I've always done fine with all seasons with this car. Of course, dedicated winters are the way to go, but this is what we're working with right now. But as you can see, kind of had to raise the car. I would say about 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches, because for whatever reason, these tires, they have the biggest lip protector I've ever seen in my life. So it kind of stretches it a little bit, as you can see. Normally a 255 would not be stretched at all. Of course, the offset on these wheels are a lot less than the TEs. I mean, not that much more, but it was rubbing on the rear fender a lot. The front, it was scraping the fender line like crazy. So ultimately I decided to raise the car just so it'd be a lot easier to get through winter time this year. I mean, as you can see, I kept all the aero on, have the rear spats still, side skirts. I mean, honestly, I feel like the smart move is to just take everything off, but the car looks so stupid that it needs something at least. And honestly, this is the most ground clearance I've ever had. Like last year, I was definitely a lot lower than this in the winter time, so I really don't see a problem. I mean, the lip is pretty secure, side skirts as well. We'll see, I guess. I mean, I'll probably film when something catastrophic happens, but I'm sure we'll be okay. Front grille is installed now. It does complete the front end a lot, and I'm sure it would help with preventing snow from bunching up in there. Probably not ideal, but look at the poke, guys. This is ridiculous. It literally looks like a monster truck. Kind of reminds me of my old fitment I used to have, my first set of wheels. It looks really whack. I will throw up some pictures. Yeah, I never had this kind of fitment, at least in a while. I never expected the tires to fit like this. I thought it would be relatively square. And honestly, I thought I had enough clearance, but it turns out I really didn't. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end up selling these as well. These CR Lies, with these new tires on there after the season's over. I think next year I wanna run 17s. Or maybe I'll just have a winter beater next year, who knows? Yeah, these will probably be for sale after this season. You know what, guys? I'm gonna throw in some cinematic shots just for fun. Probably not gonna post many pictures of this setup. I'm honestly like pretty disgusted. My car has never looked like this before. Honestly, for some of you, it might be not even that bad, but to me, just any wheel gap like this now, no go for me. Ground clearance is nice though, I must say. Honestly, guys, look at the view from the rear. That is some serious meat right there. Holy crap. Usually I have mud flaps for winter, but I'm not sure if I'm able to put on this year. Who knows? But holy. Yeah, look at this fitment. So, yeah. I'm literally one of those guys that buy the wrong size tire or whatever, wrong size wheel for the car. These are the results. So my car is literally a meme this year. And to top it off, I have the raised decal still installed with some replica work wheels. So yeah, I'm just really asking for it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's just kind of a random assortment of clips I've thrown together. I do want to film some more compelling stuff here shortly, you know, some actual installs of things and back to the normal program, but felt like maybe I could make a little bit of a relaxed video for fun. And of course, with the new winter setup, I figured I'd show you guys that. But I'm about to head to Target, pick up a couple things, and there's probably a line and all that jazz, so I'm gonna go deal with that. But anyway guys, good talking to you guys, and I will catch you guys next time.